muntu yomo agwate chi account igesongera nga one ID number iga produce chi pin 192 igo muntu yomo naboranyo gakora imishahara y'abantu 100 na gento ebikone ebinene lakini rende na amwire na inchi na atene na atene ngaki lazima ndosi kusiyete ebengia
Jinga kijecho mugavana Simba haratini anyatkate abuna serikali ya enigo ya bekire miroberio ya bene asojo kinia ebirengo bijisemi hanene jiskuru ichobobundi ase county ya Kisii
Polytechnic mwinogaiga na atebirengo bekande chibesoro abantu manye egasi yokoboko barosi kisuguli barosi mirangu barosi bamanye ko korosi no na amache kosona ekera basaye baitu bonse ntoko babekase chipipi amra be chipipi bonse yipi nkorosi tole esakeli yabo nabarubu babe bantu
Unenjereyemo yoko egenderia wana boda kuru mugumo eyego toka sensemo ya nyakoe nigobono bachakirie keganja baraji gutumeka kugacha enibo yabo ende bachikwegenderi guchesa matuko alebosio bagukwana nigobono batogiri abateneri ibenseme ya boda anne kurwa senseme ye karwaderuna enerenchereyemo bakire atua yogo chikwegenderia kibogima
Tutuare sako abantera abamanyire ngambaro rase system ya NTSA batware ji license nando abwate amatikali apara ndaitenga ina rumuganda gento gya kabere ndotagete twekonye twimoki kibiashara kwa mfano bona asela funding ngochere asela funding yo president una yatebeta igoro yatetenga ko kabantu bebe kama
because chairman chabere kurumaya gagaiga tutanya corona no more wastage lakini goetre chairman oitonsongo egasi akore negasi akorekana Nwisakore stage chinyinge obo maya nento bwa program ngabuneyega
Uno bokorerio buya azi county anena ase county Nyamira nikabona bagwasiri bachore bali banyara bagochorwa no gavana bwe county Nyamira Mosinyaribo banyarire bagate abuna nigo barachikora emirimo yawo ya anenekero ekamati eri yare kubaringo lierachigweti amarieta abo bagukwana burit koregoro anene bakuragwa no yochoru gyetenedensemo yobochenu Dr. Mbati nigo batebina bahise kwegu eri bagerio nigo barachikora emirimo emiya ase county ya Nyamira.
I felt if given the opportunity, I will come and promote like our vocational training schools.
Amariogaya, a fund ever set aside, and in that fund which is set aside, it will have continuous supply of drugs. Replenish.
Ekerobono abagwasiri bali bachorwa no murai bwense Dr. William Ruto erigo chikohira mabaga ya mawasiri wose mabaga yechinsemo awao nigo mugwasiri omojore asensemeri yegisemi sekeri majogu litukore goranyarede ga korigererigwa ne kamati eri ya chorwa sate betabna ne ojikwene kibuna aise kwa uribaga lyoko mugwasiri wegisemi asense ya Kenya ne ojikwene kibuna moroberio CBC nkorigererigura asenjira ya bene karate betabna ekamati gose task force eri anyarede ge kobekwa no murai bwense Dr. William Ruto na erera chikoreta biribira chikoirera omoroberio CBC kogendera asense ya Kenya.
A parent in this country about the new system of CPC, and people are anxious, and of course because of that anxiety and the concerns voiced by the many Kenyans about this system, it was within the wisdom of His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, to appoint a prudential working party with very clear terms of reference so that they can be able to get views and comments from each and every Kenyan, so that once they have been able to come with a clear recommendation, then ask government and Minister for Education, I will be able to get a roadmap. Of course, the way Madama said, Honorable Madam, it is clear that parents sometimes are complaining of the expense, that it is a system which is capital intensive, such that they are required to buy so many things. And our system and this administration in particular, I want to assure members, would not like anything that is going to be so costly to their parents.
Azijinga geje jiwano mawaziri yo mochole zikiri machoguna rwete kurege tindi gocha saba kurumi baribara chigotoka seje wisara yekisemi bunaka kwe ulibaga rego chigotenera wisara yukate bede oseni gate bede buna niga ojikwene kuna bokurumi bonde bwenzi mbwe bojokorekana ase wisara yekisemi.
Honorable Chairman, I'm a bottom-up person. I understand the government system. I know the way it operates. And in case there are cuts in that ministry, I think it is time for them to start backing and going elsewhere. Because with Machogu at the helm of that ministry, if there is anything I will not allow, I will like value for money, sharing by sharing, and we will be able to do very proper monitoring so that we don't lose any money at all.
Kamati heli yale kubarigirire na kubaringori abagwasiri bari bachoretwe n'umurai bwenze Dr. William Ruto nigo bagenderane gikare kyo litko rero ase babaringori abagwasiri ao na kubabori ebe enengo babwate ase bigancha byabo na barabu baira libagari abena gukwanira ebigancha babwate na ali barachokora asense ya Kenya karbara guri bagakoira amabaga ya kigwasiri gose ko bambagwasiri ase birugo ao kati yabali bekirana ngamo na Florence Bore oyo nyaraga kwerera enibo irenga bwata sense gosasi cha county chiae.
You have your Higher Education Loans Board clearance?
Yes, Chair.
Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission clearance?
Yes, Chair.
Certificate of Good Conduct?
Yes, Chair.
Have you ever been charged in a court of law and convicted of an offense?
No, Chair.
Are you a dual citizen of Kenya and any other sovereign?
I'm a Kenyan citizen.
You have your national ID card?
Yes, Chair.
You will furnish the original with the clerk's team, and they'll give it back to you later. What is your financial net worth?
My financial net worth is about 200 million Kenya shillings.
What is that made of?
My home in Kericho with a tea farm, that is about 60 million. My home in Nairobi, that is about 25 million. Some pieces of land in Kericho and in Kajiado. Some vehicles that add up to about approximately, all of them about 175 million.
Mosbatio Ivano Pore, Niga Choretio Gose, Nigare nomini has Sewisareli Yareba. Kareswetu ni garachko mwasiri orepa senseito ya Kenya asinga kichecho mwasiri nomini asensa meri ya mining nerena ikirana sege karekyo salumufia oinero nyarakao kwanera igoro yeni babwate boigo nali arachokora kerara eguri baga lioko base wisara eyo.
My financial net worth, Mr. Chairman, is 120 million in land, houses, bank accounts. Yeah.
Houses, bank account.
Bank account, yeah.
No vehicles?
Yeah, vehicles, sorry. Vehicles also. Yeah, 120 million.
120 million.
Omurai bwekiama kia waiba Kalonzo Musyoka lithuko ligoro narorekanete ga kumocho murai bwenze Dr. William Ruto anene asinkwana yaye hakwanitekero abakenya bari gucingera rituko rya masucha day kose speech y'umurai bwenze kurengana na Karonzo ni gaote abuno murai bwenze rituko riri aramis cyarengi tariki 22 rituko rya masucha day takwanirire mangana mange ali alengeto mo Kenya obotambe gosarira chikwimukira uchumi ye Kenya kurengana na Karonzo ni gaote na serikali ya Kenya kwanza yikora uno murai bwenze netakere ko bekemeroberio ye uno konyense ya Kenya kuimuke birengo byaye bya uchumi.
At the event, President Ruto made a long list of declarations, including specifics on the Hustler Fund and how it will operate, irrigation, housing, universal health care, probe into the DCI, afforestation, among others. I think I've already planted over 300 trees, so I may want to lay claim on that pronouncement. But good as it is actually made in a manner that is very discomforting. The President, as a head of state and government, exercises the executive authority of the Republic with the assistance of the Deputy President and the Cabinet Secretaries. The Constitution does not give leeway to the President to impose decisions on the country just because he is the President. As far as Kenyans know, Ruto has no cabinet.
Tekirono haba wasiri bari bachoretwe no murai bwense ritwera ryari ko mwari boko baringoria nikabona barayiwe chikanusa batebiribuna umurai bwense nabwate libaga gosobosibore boko bachora aba bagochiko base serikali ya ekorende ingo babure kyombe keriki ariko baringori gusika mati ryari ko ringori bari bachoretwe ba wasiri otaba libaga bari babwate chimbwa chingiye gusikinjira cyabo itaringe chindonge anenekero bari baswerere asinjira yobokurumi abantu batebuna nere buya bari ba usikanete gose bari babwaterani no bokurumi gotayegwa mabaga yokuba barayi asense yake.
To any key position, first of all, is the prerogative of the president. That's the first point. Secondly, the president has the right to appoint someone he can work with. But the third one is simple. He has to be sensitive to all Kenyans. Because first of all, the president is not going to pay these people from his pocket. These people are going to be paid by the public fund. And to that effect, the issue of integrity comes first before everything else. Our proposal is that no one should be given any state appointment if that person has gray areas. That is questionable. That is our position. It is unfortunate some judicial officers still run their offices with impunity. Kenyans are shocked at the speed with which the ODPP has of late been withdrawing cases associated with people who are well connected amidst condemnation of others by high-ranking government officials.
Azensemeri jigosori keminano kibosani gati ya Global Connection FC nigo kurwa sensemeri rigoma nigo yaje korete team ya Gusii FC gose team ya Gusii FC nigo yaje korete Global Connection tigo linye ase ligena liesagero ase gosori yobosani bakwana na Ndizi TV Duke Mageto yore coach ya Global nigo wanatebiruna engoyeyo nigo yaborogetie bunanga kiba bochigotieria na barabu chinguru cyabo erigo chikogosori gochasa
Samayan.
Mupira lero obeiro muya compared to the other days na actually unatua korete season we have been out, so this is our first match ntuanya ko irana back to the training, so nkageretenga ya tokonyirake we tuarore the mistake toko irana to the training, we will work on the mistakes tuarore in between and then togendere. So we have lost 4-0 lakini we have learned because wana wantu ware NSL na babera set training for long, so nimependa vijana wamejituma. So in the second half actually guys have toka because of the training, but we'll work on it.
Ase challenge ya rero data amna to very exposed regional scan to waka bono to can rete precision ya answer, so to achire friend ndanga nyigaiga twake torango ngai to improve before irigeta resume. So ndata challenge yabeire engia of course to lakini ne to ko training to mentake to team to kanere waka irigere hormono lakini next portion ngia to anyore to rodras to na kito waka na kito kumove na kito ko kufunga chigori. So game ya next ngarte na gutokonyora to bangira bya nande in case to konyore chance ne yawa kana team yiga nande na to guchaga iga to bange torre na kinantanyara machibare.
Abuno ngonya butora ya jinse komi korende ni gondo Demo Steven omo captain 001 neragende kweriania hedinda koire we kasumore we chikosori cheito korwa Ndizi TV go narode ndemo nigaga onteina suka ajiko so asumore we we chikosori go to masiko suke kiagara na mange ndo cha kwara ne ria senseme yo ye chikosori enero Ndizi TV obwan suma usinje tumirane yekoraga ense yemo yabona margo bango somera mangana maya mayo kwira we kasumore we bobo sera bwenka ase rero torajiko kwanira ningi keweka giaturubani enka ose ningi kegosari enka igo bwa tetariki ose kaba monenje tumirane gekoragense ya muya bwana marogo yonkonya ose yo ningasense mirimo rumanyererio nigakurukwa chosho uto yoneki amalio gine jibijago jira senjira ya bene betrunira mokeira anjiriane Brighton Makoli.